In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks from NerdWallet. First, it's important to clarify something right away so you don't waste time searching through the wrong website. NerdWallet does not sell personal checks, and it does not print them either. NerdWallet is a personal finance website that mainly provides educational content, reviews, comparisons, and money-related tools. So if you were hoping to place a check order directly through NerdWallet, that option is not available. What you'll need to do instead is order checks through your actual bank or credit union or through an authorized third-party check printer. This is the correct path if you need personal checks for your checking account. One of the easiest and most reliable options is to order directly from your bank or credit union. In most cases, you can log in to your bank's online banking portal and look for a section related to account services, check services, or order checks. Many banks partner with official check printing providers, so the process is usually built right into your account dashboard. If you don't see that option online, you can contact customer service and ask them to help you place a check order. Another option is to use a trusted third-party check printer. Well-known services such as Harlan Clark, Deluxe, or Walmart checks are commonly used for personal check orders. When using a third-party provider, make sure the site is legitimate and secure, and be prepared to enter your bank account details exactly as they appear on your checking account. Accuracy matters here because your checks need to match your account information correctly. If you need a check immediately and can't wait for a full order to arrive by mail, you can also visit your bank in person and ask a teller for temporary counter checks. These are usually simple checks issued by the bank for short-term use. They may not look the same as personalized checks, but they can be very helpful if you need to make a payment right away. So the key takeaway is simple. NerdWallet can help you learn about banking and financial products, but it is not a place where you can buy personal checks. To actually order checks, go through your bank, your credit union, or a reputable, authorized check printing service. And if you're in a hurry, ask your bank for temporary counter checks. That's the full guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.